Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, we have this quantitative silica gel brush head. Pour in your seasoning, squeeze the brush head, squeeze or drip oil, and then use the brush. That's what it looks like. 2-in-1 design. Okay. So here's the brush head. Here. You can't open this and clean it, I don't think. That's just for oil. Put on here, suck up the oil, and then you can use the bowl. And it comes with 2 of these straws for some reason. You just really need just one. Then put your oil in, and I'll get the oil for you. And that's it. So if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.